All right, guys, so I just primed my face using the, let's see, I used the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base all over my face after I moisturized, and then I used the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I am going to a baseball game today, so I'm gonna be outside in the sun, in the heat. It's gonna be 88 degrees out today, so I wanted to do kind of a little like natural face look today, so I'm just gonna do something light. I already color corrected the dark spots on my face using the LA Girl Pro Conceal color corrector. And now I'm gonna go in with Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This is supposed to have 24-hour full coverage, supremely weightless, controls oil and shine, which I have a major issue with. I get really shiny like right in here and right by my eyebrows and kind of like around my nose a bit. And then it's supposed to have a matte finish. So we shall see how this goes throughout the day. The shade I got is the color 4.5 dark with a warm peach undertone. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is just a flat foundation brush. And let's see. I'm not gonna start with a little bit and see how it goes. So grab my mirror. So this looks a little light, but once we blend it out, we'll see how she is looking. So far, I think she looks good. I didn't know if this shade was gonna match me. Bring her down. So far, feels really soft against my skin. She's blending out really nicely. Gonna do maybe just a little bit on my forehead since I am gonna like sweat it off anyway, probably. But I'll just do one more little squeeze. Maybe about that much for my big old forehead. I typically would use a beauty blender to do my foundation, but for this specific foundation, it said to use it with a dense brush, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just kind of try to do a simple kind of natural look today. So from what I can see, it looks nice. I don't know if it's picking up very well on camera, but it looks really nice. Alrighty, she looks good. Okay, so now I'm gonna conceal. I'm just gonna use my Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the color Butterscotch. These under eye bags are serious today.
Okay, so this is my face after being out all day at a baseball game. It was about 88 degrees outside today, and I've been wearing it for about 6 hours now, maybe a little bit longer. Been running around outside, eating, and hanging out with my friends, and look, it still looks really nice. It is a little shiny, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of my powder on and see how that changes things if I just touch up my powder a little bit. So yeah, that looks nice. I've got such a stuffy nose right now, you guys. My allergies are like acting up, and I was outside like all day. But that's that. That is the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And I definitely think I'm going to be adding this one to my everyday foundation routine. I really like it. They matched the color really nicely with my natural skin tone, so I really like it. And I think you guys will too. So make sure you guys check this out.